Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your vaccination appointment at CVS. In order to cancel your vaccination appointment at CVS, you want to go ahead into your email and find some sort of confirmation that you have an appointment with CVS. So over here, I have an appointment today for CVS. And then if you go ahead and scroll down, you're going to find this button here that says manage this appointment. So once you click on this manage this appointment button, what's going to happen is that you're going to be able to actually cancel your appointment, or you're going to be able to reschedule your appointment. So in my case, I actually had to reschedule my appointment, but it's fairly simple. It's either you actually get an email and you're able to manage your appointment, or you get a text. And in that text, it'll actually give you an option to, if you need to reschedule this appointment, and then it'll also send you a link. But overall, it's very easy. You can actually just go ahead and reschedule your appointment or cancel your appointment just by clicking on this button here. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below.